I have two action points, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Floor Leader. One, a resolution strongly requesting Secretary Manuel Bonoan of the Department of Public Works and Highways and Engineer Edwin Matanguihan, OIC Director of the Bureau of Design, for immediate determination of the final recommendation as to the permanent engineering solution of the Ungka Flyover. That's one. And I have here some of the whereas, Madam Chair, and for asking for the Secretary's indulge to help us also on its design. No? And then also another resolution is a resolution requesting Honorable Julienne L. Baronda, Representative of Iloilo City, Honorable Michael Gorriceta, Representative of the 2nd District of Iloilo, and Honorable James Ang Jr., Representative of Uswag Ilonggo Party List, to ventilate the issue of the delay in the reopening of the Ungka Flyover to the leadership of the Department of Public Works and Highways and the Bureau of Design, and to intercede for the immediate solution of the vertical displacement in Ungka Flyover.
Or would you be willing to add the other congressman as well? Kay third district, the constituents from the 3rd district are highly affected, as well as the 4th district.
All congressmen, Vice.
If you had,
Yeah, I agree, Madam Chair. And also the Miss OWA party list, please.
and the other congressman. Yes, Board Malapica.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer.
The highly affected board member.
Yes.
Travel time. Yes, Board.
Nag-nosebleed na kami, Madam Presiding Officer, sa Ladrang area. Anyway, with this proposed resolution of the gentleman from the 4th District, can we also address this concern to the President of the Republic?
I think so.
Knowing that there are a lot of commitments that have been made by the DPWH, and I think we have not heard any commitment from the contractor.
Copy for next.
Yes.
President.
Oh. And if possible, I don't know if we can have
Request
it.
for the President to
Yeah.
magpadasig na ni.
Oh. To intervene, and also the chair of the committee of infrastructure in the Senate and in the House of Representatives, so that everybody must be involved in this problem.
So I move to pass these two resolutions. I so move, subject to the language and style of the Secretariat.
And to include all the suggestions of Boardman to the President as
Yes.
well as the Republic and all the other congressmen within the province of
And
Iloilo.
the Senate chair.
And the Senate Chair on Infrastructure,
Copy
the
for
House
next.
Chair on Infrastructure. Okay, so moved and second the motion. Seconded, with unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Floor Leader.